we're going to do a before and after video. A lot of people really want to know what they're going to look like installed. So here we're doing the before, and hopefully we'll do a quick install, and we'll have the sun at the same angle, and we'll do the after. So here's the side view, and of course the complete side view without or before. Okay, here's a little after coverage. Mud flaps installed. Try to get the same lighting. Looks great, front and rear. Hey, it's Mark again, RPM Tesla. We finally got them, the Model Y mud flaps. They're in stock, and they are a great design. Of course, you get 4 of them. Left rear, left front, right rear. And of course, you get 10 grommets. So these are longer, extended grommets, not like the ones in the car. They need to be longer to reach through the thickness of this plastic. So anyway, we're going to get started now. I'll show you how to install them. They're great, they're simple, and they look beautiful. A nice satin black finish matches the chrome delete on our Model Ys. Perfect. It's going to look great on mine, especially with the side trim pieces. It's really going to accent them and bring them out. So of course the arches I'm referring to. So let's get them installed. And you won't even have to remove your wheels at all. So that's it. Let's get started and show you how to do it. All right, so here's what we're gonna do with the installation. We're gonna have a total of 8 grommets to be used, 4 on each side of the car. And we're gonna use 3 in the back and 1 in the front. And this one will be the original Tesla hole you're going to use with the original grommet. So again, you're going to get 8 total, 4 on each side. And we're going to show you how to just pop them right in, just like this. So we're going to use 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3, and 2 in the front. All right, so we're going to be using a pick or a screwdriver to release the tabs on all of the existing grommets. The nice thing is you don't have to take off the wheels. So we'll start here in the rear. Okay, you can do it. And just push them, pull them down. And remember, in the rear, it doesn't matter if you break them. We're not going to reuse them, so we don't need to show them. And so there's just 3 to take off. There we go. And then here is the mud flap, and we're going to take it to the top and just hook it around, and you're going to be locking this piece in. That helps you locate your location, the way it clips on and grabs on to the fender liner. Just put it right in its final spot, and then we're just going to hook it around the plastic edge, and then we're going to put in these 3. Start with the bottom, spread them apart. Insert the bottom in the hole first. So push it all the way in, and then put the male piston in, and you don't have to worry about unscrewing it. This is just if you ever want to take it out. So that's that. Easy, simple, simple. Then we do the next 2 around the side. Same thing. Just push in the grommet first, and then push in the piston. It locks right into place. And the last one. And we're gonna get some pictures outside. So the holes lining up is critical, but they fit great. You do have to jog it around sometimes. You want a nice tight fit. But once you insert the grommet all the way in, then you just pop the piston in and you're good to go. So it's 1, 2, and then the clip on the side. So it's a strong finish, and of course the first one's underneath. Okay, let's go to the front. Okay, so on this one now, we're gonna use these two grommets. You're gonna pop the one off, and the second one, remember we're gonna reuse this one. So this one right here we're going to use because you don't need a long one. So just put it right in place, clip the center piece on. It reaches right around the fender and it holds it straight in place. And now we're gonna use the Tesla or the RPM push grommet here, line up the hole, pop it in, insert the piston. And then now this is the original one. So you should be able to just push it all the way in as long as you get it through the hole. And then pop the center in, and look at that, flexible ABS, and look at how it matches perfect. So you got, all of us have the same fender liners on our Model Y. It's a great match. It'll stop a lot of objects from flying up, hitting the car, whether it's mud, water, anything. Thanks again for watching, and they're in stock.